It's been a few weeks since President Obama nominated Mary Jo White as the new SEC chairman. Given the political climate in Washington, it should be no surprise that this will be a contentious, or can be a contentious nomination process, but we'll see what happens with that. Recently, Wall Street and Technology senior editor Melanie Rodier took a look at some of the previous SEC chairmen, including the first SEC chairman, Joseph P. Kennedy. But talking about White, one of the questions that has come up in a number of circles is her close ties to the industry. Yes, she has a good track record of prosecutions, but like many of the other regulatory bodies overseeing the financial markets, including the Federal Reserve and the Treasury, people are questioning how close are their ties to the banks, and should they be that close? We'll see how that goes in the future. But looking at White's prosecution record, while it's good, and while the SEC has a pretty good record over the last couple of years of catching a lot of insider traders, what remains to be seen is what the SEC is going to do about market structure issues and how they're going to police that going forward. There are a lot of concerns about how the markets are structured and how they're fragmented, and investors are really concerned about how the markets, how they're being played in the markets, and what the role of high-frequency trading has, and how investors are being scared away. Right now, trading volume on a lot of the exchanges is at record lows, and a lot of people feel that's because investors don't trust the marketplace. So for White, we'll see how she responds to these calls and see what the SEC does over the next couple of years with improving its market surveillance and improving the policing of the industry. And we'll see what happens. Thank you.